Plywood is a cheap, ugly material and its edges should be covered at all times. Wrong. Plywood is a wonderful traditional material. It's not cheap. There are several types of plywood. It has many applications, including aircraft construction, and its very essence is the visual attractiveness of the edge. Now, as a material, it has some advantages over solid wood. I first started using plywood in the 1970s, making furniture, and that's almost 50 years ago. And I'm proud of using plywood. So why do these prejudices linger on today? Well, some of you will know I'm building a CNC router, and a major application I have in mind is to make plywood furniture using standard available plywood sheet. Now, there's no extra hassle of converting solid boards, for instance, thicknessing them, allowing for wastage, timber movement, etc. The only downside, small downside of plywood is it's liable to twisting in large panels, so you design around that. Gluing a lipping onto the edge of plywood using the same tradition as veneering chipboard or MDF is odd to me, because with a veneered panel, the veneer cleverly covers the lipping to make the whole panel look like solid wood, but with plywood it sticks out like a sore thumb on the cross grain. Now, simply beveling the lipping back to the glue line to disguise the lipping, as some woodworkers seem to be doing, just raises the question, why do it? A good design celebrates technique, craftsmanship, material, and instead of hiding the edge of plywood by painting it or applying a lipping, why not consider simply showing it off? Now, you can do this by beveling it and increasing the surface area of the plywood. It has the strength to do this. Now, if you want to cover the somewhat bland surface veneer of some plywoods, you can cover it with an exotic veneer, as I've done in these little plywood boxes that I made back in the 1970s and 1980s. So why not celebrate plywood? Work with it, not against it. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Broon. Please subscribe and press that little notification bell.